Today we're going to be looking at another large single-story floor plan by Lennar Homes in the northwest part of Las Vegas. This is going to be the Catherine model with the next-gen suite and RV garage. That RV garage will hold 4 cars, 2 cars and an RV, a boat and 2 cars. It's got room for all your toys. When you step into the floor plan, it's going to be nice and all the rooms are going to be separated to where everyone has their own privacy, but you still have a nice big open floor plan in the middle. Plenty of room in the kitchen, giant island. In the model, they do have the upgraded waterfall counters, the ports. They do include all of the appliances, and they are very nice professional grade appliances. Going to have a massive walk-in pantry. When you include the next gen suite, this model is going to have a total of 5 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms. It's going to be about 4,240 square feet. So on one side you're going to have a huge laundry room. Some of the cabinets are upgrades. Then you got a nice sized secondary bedroom. Going to have a walk-in closet as well as its own ensuite bathroom. And the optional door to the exterior patio as well. Then going to the other side of the house, you're going to have the primary suite. The primary is going to have a massive walk-in closet. The bathroom is going to have a separate tub, separate shower, dual sinks like you would expect. It's a really nice laid out setup. Of course, some of the upgraded tile and flooring are upgrades, but the floor plan itself is on a half-acre lot and still only starting at 1.145. Plenty of room to get some upgrades done. Lennar is also including all the window coverings. They do landscape the front yard. They do not landscape the back, but most builders do not. You go back towards the front of the house. There's going to be 2 bedrooms. Both are really nice size. And they're going to share a Jack and Jill bathroom. Both of them are going to have walk-in closets. As you can see, the space is very well used. I mean, obviously 4,240 square feet gives you a lot of room to play with, but it's nice to see that you have plenty of living space, but you also have very nice sized bedrooms. Then we go to the other side of the front, and you can see the next gen suite. Well, of course, before that we do have a powder room. The next gen suite's going to have an entrance into the main part of the house, but that can be locked off. There is its own private entrance from the exterior. It does have a small living room. It's a really nice sized kitchenette. Again, with all the appliances included. Separate bedroom. Of course, they have it set up as a game room at the moment. But a nice sized bathroom, walk-in shower, walk-in closet. So if you're looking for a large single-story, big lot, northwest part of Las Vegas, this plan might work for you. You can give us a call, 702-480-9137, or go to our website, lvhomesgroup.com, and get a hold of us. If this is not the right plan for you, we'll find it. So contact us and we'll get to work finding you the right property for you.